Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ayush Arora, and I pretend to be a stand-up comedian. Well, I always wanted to become a real one, but my parents never allowed it. So I ended up doing something really similar. I ended up doing law. And I say this because there's no much difference between stand-up comedians and lawyers anyway. Yeah? Ma'am, do you think that there's any difference between stand-up comedians and lawyers? Ma'am? Do you think that there's any difference between stand-up comedians and lawyers? Yeah, even she's like, no, you both suck. The only difference between stand-up comedians and lawyers is that of venue. Stand-up comedians do jokes on stage. Lawyers do it in courtrooms. So yeah, any Delhiites in the house? Delhiites, give me a loud cheer. Delhiites. I have heard that people of Delhi hate people of Mumbai, yeah? And people of Mumbai hate people of Delhi. But look, I'm from Chandigarh. We believe in oneness. We believe in equality. We believe in unity. Therefore, we hate everyone. Anyone outside Chandigarh is my enemy. Yeah. So it's so one day Bihari guy came up to me and said कि क्या सब बकैती करते रहते हो तुम मालूम है बिहार में कितना ये सब लोग select होता है A Chandigarh Sardar guy went up to him पता साढ़े थ्रोडीज किन्ने select होंदे हैं I believe we Punjabis we are the victims of the problem we created ourselves and that's called stereotyping. Whenever I go out of Punjab I am stereotyped. तू पंजाबी है और तू चिकन नहीं खाता I can bear this. तू पंजाबी है और तू दारू नहीं पीता Still, I can, I'm calm. But this freaks my mind out. It's like, तू पंजाबी है और तू कॉलेज ट्रैक्टर पे नहीं जाता I'm like, dude, not every Punjabi goes to college on a tractor. Only 99.5% of them do, but not everyone, Yeah, so fans of American horror films in the house, fans of American horror films, Conjuring and stuff. I love American horror movies, right? At the end of every American horror movie, they will tell you that this is based on real incidents. They'll show you some pictures, right? I trust them, and I trust them that this is based on real incidents. Because, American environment is so conducive for the ghost to scare people. For example, if in the home there's one mother and 3 daughters, the mother sleeps in a separate room, the 3 daughters will sleep in 3 fucking separate rooms, even after they get to know there's a ghost in the house. In India, that's not done. In India, it's like 20 people stuffed into one room, struggling for life, space, and oxygen. Even the ghost comes like, "Je to theek hai ki darana hai, par ghusu kahan se?" And ladies and gentlemen, the ghost was obviously Haryani because in Jat riots many Haryanvis got killed. So these are the new recruits and interns. But I feel Indian ghosts are any day better, man. Indian ghosts are any day better, because, in America, if you want to practice exorcism, you have to do a lot of things. You have to bring the church people, and church people collect evidence, and then you take permission from the church. In India, it's super simple to throw a ghost out. You just have to say, Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar. The ghost comes up. मैं जा रहा हूँ, bro, जा रहा हूँ. Yeah. Fans of BJP in the house? Fans of BJP? All the ABVP members are like, bro, don't mess it up, bro. You want to go home alive, right? No, I'm a big fan of the BJP, I'm a big fan of the government. I believe in this government, even you have the liberty to have everything, but there's just one thing you should never have, kids, I tell you. You should never have this thing in your entire life. And this thing is called having opinions. You should never have opinions, right? If there was a graph to things you can have to things you cannot have, you can have drugs, weapons, criminal case record, but these are the 2 things you should never have. Beef and opinions. Never have it. Who was the last time, who expressed opinions? Sonu Nigam. The guy who sang Kal Ho Na Ho, that was much of a prediction for himself. He expressed his opinion. He said that, religious institutions and, the loudspeakers they use is like gundagardi. I feel him, man. I guess he's right, that is gundagardi using of loudspeakers. Because the reason I'm not in Delhi University, guys, is because my geography board examination se pehle Gupta auntie ke ghar mein jagrata tha. She messed my career. And Jagrata, let me tell you guys, we have Jagratas in Punjab and the fundamental rules. Let's study the fundamental rules of Jagrata. A, you never have Jagratas in vacations. B, you never have Jagratas even in routine days. You have Jagrata specifically on a day before the most toughest examination in Punjab. And Jagratas are like, I don't know, it's a fascination. I love Jagratas, Jagratas use these Hindi Bollywood modified songs to impress God. You know, they made bhajans of Bollywood songs. You won't believe, you know, in Chandigarh we had Bhag DK Bose modified version for a bhajan. You want to listen that? You know? Yeah, so those are things. संगत मुझसे बोली तू माता है मेरी तुझ पर जिंदगानी न्योछावर है मेरी भंडार पे सारे बैठ के लेते तेरा माता वाली नाम नाम नाम. But yeah, as I told you, I'm a cool guy. So we used English modified version for a bhajan. Our bhajan singer modified Ed Sheeran's Shape of You. Guys want to hear that as well? He was like, church is the worst place to find peace, so Mata da Darbar is where I go. सारे भक्तों में ऐसी श्रद्धा की सबको जला दो. तो फिर आओ आओ तुम वैष्णो देवी तुम भी चले जाओ और तुम हाथ उठाओ और मेरे संग आओ तुम शेरावाली माता सॉन्ग और कहो तुम जय माता जय माता जय माता जय माता. दरबार पे आया हूँ आशीर्वाद दे तू तेरे भक्त जनों के संकट सारे हर दे तू. Thank you very much. My name is Ayush Loda. You have a lovely audience.